Yeah, read it.
I think we're gonna. Oh, well, that's. That is so tall. Like, I wish I could. I'm pretty sure I'm about to drive over it. So those mountains or hills?
Those would be mountains. Yeah, mountains.
They don't look tall, but then when you get to close up, you start getting intimidated. You remember when we were gonna go to Mount Shasta? And when we were driving there, Mount Shasta was that one mountain that was like right there. And I was like, oh wow, that's a big mountain.
Big mountain.
Yeah. And then we were, thankfully, like there was like, well not thankfully, kind of sucked because there was no snow, but I mean I was pregnant anyway, so I couldn't go skiing anyway, but it was just funny.
Late start, but we're trying to make it to the Hoover Dam.
Hey, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Is this the Arizona welcome tag right here?
Donnie, we're here.
We're here.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We're walking. Here's a little bitty glimpse of what we're seeing. Let me show you.
Mommy,
Sorry.
go faster.
What are you doing with that?
The bed? The fly pot?
Can you get it off?
Get it, Donnie. Get it.
Uh,
That's the wrong side. No.
it's very bit warm.
This is a long drop, Donnie.
It's very bit warm. Mom.
So I guess now's a bad time to tell you that Heights and I have a love-hate relationship. Sometimes it's tolerable, other times it's yeah.
The water right there.
Yeah.
The where?
Right there.
The water out there?
Yeah.
There's a lot of water in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
The water right there.
Huh?
Yeah. A lot of water, huh?
There's a lot of water.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we can cross. Hello. Thank you.
So just a quick fact. The dam is approximately 730 feet tall and approximately 1,200 feet long. So it's, I mean, you can imagine how big that is. So if you ever get a chance to come out here, definitely just enjoy just the vastness of how everything was created. What's crazy about this dam is that you know, it's used to create electrical power to transport over to California. So it's, I mean, you can just imagine the importance of this dam.
The facts that we learned today was that the Hoover Dam actually it used to, well, it probably still does, but it used to power Los Angeles. It supplied 4.5 billion kilowatts of electricity to the Southwest, like 80% of the Southwest or something like that. Yeah? Yeah. So just think, Los Angeles, of all places, LA, powered all the way in Nevada by this dam. I guess that definitely attributes it to the power and the force and the height and the magnitude of the dam itself and the water that comes out of it. That's pretty crazy.
All right, man, and I have to say it's amazing to just to experience some of these amazing attractions. I mean, a lot of people don't really get to see these things, and we're just blessed to be able to experience these things, to travel across the world, and just to see something just as amazing as that. I mean, what do you think, babe?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I wasn't paying attention. I'm sorry. I was texting. I usually what? All right. Look, everybody always everybody gets on to me for not texting back. So I was actually texting back this time, and I totally missed what Donovan said. But I think he was talking along the lines of creations and marvels, and how that's pretty awesome, and it's an opportunity of a lifetime to see something like this. Come on, cameraman. Seriously thinking about upgrading our car. You need it.
This is why you need a van, because we are packed to the brim. But we are getting close to New Mexico, and I think we're just gonna call it. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Ding.
Everyday gains.
Ding.
Mom, what's this? What's this?
We'll see y'all later. All right.